Hello. Have you ever wanted to add electronics to your models, dioramas, or whatever? I've always found that adding some lighting, a display, or sound really helps to bring the model to life. If you have watched some of my model videos, then you know I've done a number of them with a custom PCB, some added coding, all to create a unique build all my own. As I plan for my future builds, I decided to create a family of circuit boards that are available for purchase, allowing others to do the same thing. These are designed to be as small as possible, yet provide the key components needed. Let your imagination run wild in your next build and add some electronic effects. By the way, I do not receive a sponsorship from JLC PCB yet. This was just a great background for my opening. However, I do like their services so far. They have always had a great turnaround on their orders. So let's check out some of the boards I have available. First up is the very tiny TP4057 LiPo charger board to give your project some power. It also has an area for an optional voltage regulator. Next is the SOIC14, which can be used with the older ATtiny 14-pin narrow SOIC parts, such as the ATtiny 84, 841, 1604, or 3224, just to name a few. It has an option to program using the older ICSP or the newer UPDI, depending on which part you select. Then we have the classic ATtiny 85 that can use either a through-hole dip or a surface mount part. Small, compact, but minimal I/O lines. I've used this board in multiple projects and even used two together in the Millennium Falcon build. This board also has a couple of small development areas. Currently my largest board, this one supports the ATmega 328, the same part in the older Arduino Uno boards. Lots of I/O connections, and this one was used in my recent Battlestar Galactica Viper build. The last of the AVR boards is the SOIC20, which can support a 14 or 20 pin DD series part. All the AVR boards have a number of transistor pads available for driving high current outputs, and many have development areas for adding additional circuitry. I also have a set of programming cables available. This final board is something very different, and it is a 555 timer board that can be configured using various solder jumpers to set different operation modes of the timer: one-shot, debounce, timed output delay, signal generator, etc. It also has a development area that can be cut off if needed. So there you have it, my new family of PCBs. If you are interested in any of these boards or would like more information on them, please check out my Tindy and GitHub links listed in the description. And as always, thanks for watching.